We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along.
Hello everybody and welcome back to a new clean with me. Today there is a little bit of everything. We are packing for a camping trip in today's video with my two little helpers. But first I wanted to go ahead and tidy up both my daughter's bedrooms. I hate coming home to a messy house, and so we're going to be doing lots of cleaning, again a little bit of packing, and also I'm going to be sharing an ASMR prep with me. So stay tuned for that near the end of the video. Let's jump right into the cleaning.
So good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars.
I am in my 2-year-old's bedroom and I'm just using my Method wood cleaner here on the surfaces, and I'm going to move into her closet and just kind of hang everything up here shortly. Her room doesn't really get too dirty. She truly really only sleeps in here and snuggles in her bed. The only area that gets like messy, I would say, is her closet. As you can see, she does go in here and pick out her clothes, and then sometimes some of them fall off the hanger and then they fall here, so that's kind of what happened. But she's getting a lot better, and she actually, I guess she just turned 3. I can't believe I called her a 2-year-old. She's 3 now, and I would say for a 3-year-old she does pretty good.
I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm delighted, don't wanna pick a fight with.
Like I said, we were just doing a quick tidy and clean in there. Now I am moving on into my oldest's room. Her room gets a little messier, as you can see, as it's kind of like the playroom as well. Now I don't clean in here very often. Again, like we just don't spend a lot of time inside, especially here in the summer and the warmer months. But as you can see, it did get totally out of control, and sometimes Mama Bear just has to come in and organize a little bit and, you know, put things back in their proper homes. But go ahead and let me know down below how often you clean your children's bedrooms, and maybe let me know their ages. Now I would say I clean in here once a month. To some of you that might be totally insane, but we do a daily tidy. But again, I only come in here with like actual cleaners and vacuuming and mopping the floors and stuff like that once a month. I do also run my robot vacuum daily, which also cleans their floors. So I hope that helps to put things into a little bit of a perspective between the difference of cleaning and tidying their bedrooms.
I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run and only leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, the one who's breaking hearts. I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? 'Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby.
I would love to know what you are doing today. Are you up and cleaning along with me, or are you sitting down and trying to get motivated? Let me know down below and what is on your to-do list. We are gonna get into a little bit of laundry motivation before we get to packing for our camping trip. which was so much fun, by the way. We camp about an hour away as we do want to stay nice and close as our kids are still fairly young, and if the weather is not very nice, it would be nice to just come home. But we really and truly do love camping, and when we go camping, we do actually pitch a tent. I know, we're kind of crazy, but my husband does make it, I would say, as comfortable as possible for us. We have all of the gadgets, and I will be sure to try and link like the most important things, in my opinion, down below. Let me know if you camp or not, and if you do you prefer to pitch a tent or do you guys have a camper?
Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. 'Cause I got the system of favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love.
I do like to have all of our laundry and, like I said, the house totally clean whenever we go away on a trip. I just love coming home to a clean house, even though it gets trashed like the second we walk in the door, especially having little kids. But it is one thing that I do like to take a little bit of extra time and just make sure that the house is tidy and there's not a whole heck of a lot to clean when we get home. My youngest daughter was having a nap, so I couldn't put half of these clothes away until after. So I was just going ahead and putting ours away. And now we're gonna go ahead and get on into the packing. I do also like to take some time to pack. And so this was actually about 3 days before our trip, as I was nervous that I was going to forget something, even though we were only gone for 2 nights. And I also wanna add that I did keep everything to 1 suitcase. Okay, I had to stop the laundry and the cleaning so I could go ahead and share something that I'm so excited with you guys, and it is NYX. I just got some new underwear in the mail and also some of their swimwear, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys in today's video. This is the Cotton Super Leak Proof Boxer Brief. These are so comfy to sleep in, which is why I got another pair. I have the Super Dream Short. Hold that thought, I'll show you guys. So these are all the other NYX that I have that I bought my last cycle. So by the time you're seeing this video, it'll be about 2 months ago. But these shorts are my absolute favorite. They are the Dream Short. I get a size large. I do feel like they fit pretty true to size, but the material of these is so nice, and I love sleeping in these ones. These are my absolute favorite. Again, they're the Dream Short. So I'm really excited to try these ones. And then again, the swimwear I'm really excited about as well. Can you tell I like black underwear? It's like all I wear, I swear, especially when it is that time of the month. Then I got just a like high rise, and then this one is a low rise. So you can see the difference between the two, high rise, low rise. And this is the last pair that I have. It is very similar actually to, I think this one's high rise and this one's like super high rise, but I do prefer this material. It's more like satiny compared to like the cotton, although it's still really soft. So yeah, I have 6 pairs so far, and the collection is going to continue to grow. When I purchased my other pairs, I also got this mesh bag in with my order for free. And you just put your underwear in here, and that's how you wash them. So I'm so excited. I do actually have a coupon code, as I have partnered with NYX. So if you are interested in your own NYX underwear, this is just what I have used personally. They also sell tons of swimwear. Again, that's their newest collection. They also sell amazing like bras, loungewear, like literally all the things, and I'm so excited to expand my NYX collection. So again, I have partnered with them. I will have my discount code here on the screen, and I will also have my link link in the description box for you to try out for yourself. So thanks again to NYX for gifting me those 2 pairs that I just got. And if you haven't tried them, again, I highly recommend them. Now let's get back to the packing.
We watch the sun go down over the same old town.
So this is all that I have on my bed so far. I also need to pack pants still, but yeah, I need to cook supper. So briefly, this is my underwear, bathing suit, more bathing suits, and I am bringing my NYX one just because I want to try it, even though it's not that time of the month for me. Then I just have 2 black shirts, a like little dress, jammies, and then a sweater for the evenings. I'm very basic when it comes to camping, so yeah. Like I said, I still need to pack pants, but I gotta go ahead and cook supper and then I'll get back to packing.
No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. No, you're gone in the morning, but I'll be okay if you stay. If you stay.
How cute are my little helpers? They were so excited to help me pack, and so I'm not gonna lie, filming kind of got put on the back burner. It was getting really hard to manage supper, filming, packing, and all of the things, so I truly just did my best here, but I did have to cut the packing part short. So now we are gonna move on and actually prep some of the food for our camping trip. We do like to eat healthy, and so I wanted to go ahead and prep some veggies and then finish packing up the cooler as well as our dry foods. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed all of the motivation. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
But I dared you, and